My name's Rion. I'm doing an apprenticeship at the BBC in the marketing department. So it's a creative production apprenticeship. So I'm from London. Before this, I was doing A levels. So I did English, religious studies, and economics. And yeah, I did enjoy the academic side of things and revising and that whole process. That was kind of what I was used to growing up and going through school as everyone does. It was all, exams and things like that. That's kind of, what I lived and breathed for like almost 18 years of my life. But then I think I kind of, got interested in film. Specifically at an earlier age. Just watching films, and I bought my own camera, and so I always loved kind of the creative sides of life. So in school, I'll delve into a lot into drama. I love art, music, things like that. So I always kind of loved creativity, even though I wasn't doing it on a daily basis. But I think definitely in terms of, because I knew this was the field that I wanted to get into, the kind of creative industry. I knew that going to university, although I would probably learn the skills and things that I need, I know that being in that kind of creative industry is more about a lot to do with the kind of connections you form with people and the industry links you have. And there's no better place to do that than actually being in the industry itself as soon as you can. And I think that for me was like a really important thing. I was thinking about you going to university and being in a classroom or a lecture hall studying. That would get me quite far in terms of my skills, but I kind of thought that if I wanted to excel as quickly as possible, to be able to be in a position where I can kind of have major creative control over the things we work on, etc. I think being able to get into the industry as soon as possible was kind of a huge thing, and apprenticeship offers that. So that's kind of something that really drew me to take on an apprenticeship. I think it's been about 2.5 months, just over. And yeah, so far, I think I started off kind of getting to grips with softwares, and the main thing we do in the marketing department like is editing. So we edit content to kind of in a way that will attract as much of an audience as possible. So yeah, so I started off just getting to grips with the softwares that we'd be using and the process, and it was quite a lot at first because there's a structure and that needs to be followed. But I think as you keep going and as you start working on projects as I have, like, you grow to appreciate the structure because it's a lot less confusing, and it's very fluid in that sense. It helps you keep organized. So recently I've been working on Gavin and Stacey because there is a final Christmas episode coming out soon, which is massive. I remember telling my mom, and she was like, "What, Gavin and Stacey? That's crazy." Um, but yeah, so I've been making clips. I've been thinking of ideas that would help promote the final episode and things like that. So that was the initial stage, and then we went on to actually doing what I kind of thought of, which is really cool because normally I'd imagine that you'd be set work. Oh, someone thought of this, so you go and do that. But the fact that I actually thought of it myself and then I get to do it is really cool. So yeah, I've been doing that for a while now, and now I think I'm working on, as I wait for feedback for the Gavin and Stacey stuff, I'm working on some stand-up comedy shows on the BBC and promoting that. And it's just great because it's like, I'm watching something that I'd enjoy watching, and then also it's part of my work and I'm picking out the best parts and stuff. So it's really cool. So yeah, that's what I've been working on so far. I think definitely, experiencing being on a set, that's definitely something that I really want to kind of experience and kind of get used to because I know that in the future I want to make my own things and create my own projects and stuff. So definitely, having some experience being on set is something that I'm really interested in. But also, I think doing my A levels before this, I kind of still want to kind of delve into some kind of more academic stuff. So, journalism is something that really kind of sticks out to me as well, and like the whole process of researching and producing and writing my own things and expressing my opinions and even like forming an argument, things like that. That's something that I'm really interested in and would love to like kind of look into a bit.